In this video, we will review how to transfer files from your local hard drive to your account on the DEAC cluster. To complete file transfers, we will use an application called WinSCP. WinSCP enables you to transfer files from your local hard drive to your DEAC cluster account. It also enables you to transfer files from your DEAC cluster account to your local hard drive. To begin, navigate to the WinSCP website at winscp.net. Follow the link to the download page. On this page, find the most recent version of WinSCP and complete the download. Once WinSCP has been downloaded, open the application. To connect to the cluster, enter the name of the head node you would like to connect to in the hostname field. Then, enter your username and your DEAC cluster account password and click Login. Once you are logged in, notice that there are two directories represented on your screen. Your local hard drive is represented on the left of the screen, and the remote machine is represented on the right of the screen. In this case, the remote machine is the DEAC cluster head node that you logged into. When you first log in to WinSCP, you should always see your home directory appear on the right. Remember that you should always work in your research directory. To navigate there, click the drop-down menu and select the root directory. From the root directory, select DEAC. Next, select the group your account is in. Finally, navigate to your research directory. Within your research directory, you can also organize your files by creating directories in WinSCP. For example, here I'm going to create a new directory called Sample Files. When I click OK, this directory is now present on the research directory in the DEAC cluster. There are two ways to copy a file from your local hard drive to your research path on the cluster. Navigate on the left side of the WinSCP screen to the directory on your local hard drive that the file or files you would like to upload to the cluster are stored in. Remember that the up arrow allows us to navigate to the parent directory. You can then drag and drop the files you would like to upload from the left side of the screen to the right side of the screen. Here, we will do this with sampletextfile.txt. Alternatively, you can transfer files from your local hard drive to your cluster account by selecting the file or files you would like to upload and clicking Upload. Here, we will do this with sampletextfile2. Be sure to specify a path that places the file or files in your research path, not your home directory. Here, I would like to upload the sampletextfile2 to the sample files directory that I just created. By clicking OK, I have uploaded this file to the DEAC cluster account. I can now navigate to Sample Files and see that the file was correctly uploaded. Remember that once you copy a file from your local hard drive to the cluster account, any edits you make to that file will now be local to the machine that file is edited on. There are two ways to download a file from your cluster account to your local hard drive. Navigate on the right side of the WinSCP screen to the directory on your DEAC cluster account that contains the file or files you want to download. Navigate to the directory you would like to copy the file or files to on your local hard drive on the left side of the screen. You can then drag and drop the file or files from the right side of the screen to the left side of the screen to copy those files to your local hard drive. Here, we will do that with these two Hello World output files. Alternatively, you can download files from your cluster account to your local hard drive by selecting the file or files you would like to download and clicking Download. Here, we will do this with output.txt. Specify the path you would like to copy the files to. Click OK to download the files to the specified path. Again, remember that any edits you make to a file that was copied from your cluster account to your local machine will now be local to the machine that they are edited on. When uploading or downloading larger files, note that the transfer may take longer than is required for small files. A pop-up dialog box will show the progress of the file transfer. When you are done transferring files, log out of WinSCP by clicking Session, followed by Disconnect. When the login screen appears, click Close to close the session window. If you have questions, please email us at deac-help@wfu.edu. You can also visit our website at deac.wfu.edu and follow us on Twitter. Thank you for watching.